Welcome back, guys. Prashant here from Make Marketer. In this video, I will share with you one of our strategy that got us close to 13 lakhs of revenue, right? And the investment was less than 3,000 rupees. So 3,000 spent, and we got a revenue of 12 lakh, right? We could get close to 13, 14 students who join our bootcamp, and each of the bootcamp, the conversion value is quite high, and we could easily get those 12, 13 candidates only because of one campaign on Facebook. So I would just want to share that. So we were doing one workshop on Google Tag Manager. It was the first workshop on Tag Manager in Hyderabad, and this was exclusively for people with 5 years of experience. So we created an event. We wanted to do this event because we wanted to tell how important is Tag Manager. When it comes to running a successful marketing campaign. See, measurement and marketing both go together. If you can't measure, you can't market, right? What you measure is what you market, right? What you can't measure, you can never market. So we wanted to go back to these people and tell them the importance of Google Tag Manager and how important it is for somebody with like 10 years or 5 years of experience in digital marketing to learn these core measurement skills using the Google Tag Manager. So we wanted to do this event in Hyderabad. It was first workshop, like I said, in Hyderabad. So we have close to 4,000 plus likes, but the organic reach on Facebook is less than 1%. So when we created an event, it could not even reach 80 people, right? So we had to create one campaign. So we created one campaign on Facebook, and it was a engagement campaign. And in the engagement campaign, again, you have three options: a page like campaign, post engagement campaign, and the event responses campaign. So we wanted to promote this event. So what we did was we went to our page, we created an event, and you see how many people have responded to this event: 62 respondents and 5.6 thousand people. That means 5,600 people eventually saw this event, and 18 people went to a point where they thought they would buy a ticket from us. And so what we have done is, our strategy was, a lot of people who said they're coming, they came, because they said it's an invite only event and it's not for everybody who randomly want to walk in. So we made it very, very clear. We got a lot of calls and people said they wanted to come because they're not experienced with 5 years. We said no. But we had a lot of people come down from other states also. We had people come down from Delhi. We had people come down from Mumbai. We had people come down from Chennai. We had some people come down from Gurgaon as well, only to attend this event. And since it was a free event, and the reason why we wanted to keep it free is because we never wanted to put it a price tag, because we know how valuable it is, and the only thing that we could do it was for free. So we said it's a free event exclusively for people with a minimum of 5 year experience. So we asked people to share their LinkedIn profile. A lot of people did share their LinkedIn profile, so we tried to scrutinize them, and we sent an invite, a pass only for those people that we thought would be a good fit for an audience. So yeah, so we had a lot of people. We rolled out an offer to 170 people because we have a premise which can only accommodate close to 150 people, right? So we wanted to invite only 150 people, and at the end, again, we were a little skeptical whether people will turn up or not. So we rolled out to 170, keeping that 20 buffer. So what we were trying to do in the initial stages, we knew people will come. So the moment we get their email address, what we do is, our email campaign was running, right? We give them amazing material so that people will come, come what may. They would see to it that they attend the event. So this was our focus. But what we did was, once people said they are coming, we created a custom audience. So let me go to my ads manager. So here we created a custom audience, and then in custom audience there are 10 different types of custom audiences you can create in Facebook account. So if you work extensively with Facebook, guys, right, so you go to create custom audiences. So what we have done is, we created one custom audiences. When you come to custom audiences, you see there are 10 different options that Facebook gives us to create custom audiences. So we created a custom audience with events, and here we created three custom audiences. One, let me go and check my page. This is my page. So there was one event, and the event that we were talking about is the Google Tag Manager workshop. So what we have done is, we created an event, or we created an audience of only those people who said coming or interested. And once we created an event, or once we created a bucket for these people, what we have done is, we ran one ad to give them an initial resource, full of material on GTM, just to tell them they can't miss this event. And what happened is, out of these people, most of them saw our ad. Not just that, they came to our event downloading or printing that entire document. So it was an exceptional event. Close to 130 people attended both the days. 2 days, it was an event for 2 days. So 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, close to 130 people attended. And you know what, guys? close to 13 to 14 people registered for this bootcamp, and there are close to 5 7 people who joined our online program in the evening times on GTM, right? So if you see the overall revenue, it was close to 13 lakh rupees, but the investment was less than 3,000 rupees. So remember, guys, so when you run an event campaign, so make sure that you create one custom audiences, and you can create custom audiences in various ways when it comes to events. So you can create an event audience of people who responded going or interested, or you can say you can only reach those people who responded going or people who visited your event. And this list is going to help me as well in case I'm going to do another event on Google Tag Manager maybe 2 months down the line. So what this audience will do is this will help me reach those people again, and these people are people who already received my content. So these people are more likely to learn GTM from us, or maybe they can join our bootcamp program, if not today, maybe 2 months down the line. And we're going to consistently reach them with heavy content, amazing content that they would otherwise not find on internet, or somebody not giving them away for free. Right, guys? So see, if you want to promote an event, this is how you can leverage this is how you can have a follow-up plan, and this is how you can nurture them into selling your most high profitable course. We call it profit maximizer. Right, guys? So I think this is amazing. Right, make sure you create an event. If you're creating an event, promote that event, and also at the back of it also have a follow-up plan by creating amazing custom audiences. And you can have an evergreen campaign as well. You can create an audience for 5 days and then 7 days and serve them different content so that they can really consume the content, and by the time they come to the event, they're fully prepared to a stage where you can really upsell them, or you can sell your the most high-end course of the profit maximizer program. Thank you so much, guys. This was my strategy. Maybe if you want, you can try this as well. But remember, not everybody can really do this. You have to give them some amazing content. Only then people will spend so much of money to consume or to buy that content which you have. Thank you so much. I would see you with another video.